Hello, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to make the Flutterbye Spinner cards. Okay, so we want to take this small piece here and we're going to take out this cute little topper element from the centre. We want to turn this over, and with your pack you'll have this little piece of invisible string, and we're going to add it to the centre of this aperture that we've just created. So I'm just going to get a piece of red liner tape and stick it to the very centre of the aperture. And we can do the same with the bottom. And then I'm just going to cut off this small piece on the bottom. Then taking our butterfly elements, I'm just going to pop this out, and I have already attached some tape to the back. We're just going to line this up in the centre of the aperture and stick it to the thread. And do the same with the other. This time I'll put it on the back side. And we can just add and layer up the rest of the butterflies. To create a lovely little effect. Then turn it back over. Make sure this works. I've added tape along the outside edges here, and what we want to do is just take these tapes off, and we're going to stick it to the inside of the card blank. So this is our coordinating card blank, and this panel will sit just around the blue edge. And just stick it central. And then once folded, these pieces will come up. Like so. Then, using the topper we took off from this aperture, we will stick this to the front of our card. Put it in the centre, and I have a little extra butterfly from my sheet which I'm just going to add to the top. Like so. And I'll add this sentiment here. to someone very special. And we'll just add that to the corner. And there is your Flutterbye Spinner card. Thank you for watching this video today. For more videos and tutorials, please visit hunkydorycrafts.co.uk.